Mabuhay mga ka-brother ka-Tates. This is Brother Tates Vlog. Bago po natin umpisahan ang video ito, ah, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to like, comment, and share. And ibahagi natin ang video ito para may maibahagi tayo sa mga ka-Tates natin. Baka makatulong ang mga sign and symbol kung paano natin hahanapin ang tagong yaman ng mga Hapones. So, keep on watching mga ka-brother, ka-tits. At itong surprise marker na hugis tibud or jar, ito ang bearing orientation ng kumpas kung saan ang tamang direksyon ng exact location sa target nila ka-tits. Bago pa man natin na-locate ito at ini-scan, ni-reading muna natin at ina-analyze o tamang pagdecode ng area or site reading through marker at sign symbols kung saan ang digging spot nila ka-tits. From this surface bearing marker, compass orientation, nasa northwest 315 degree. Sa pointing direction from pointer, 10 yards distance, the exact location or digging spot. Code number 2 and X, the northwest orientation o the compass code bearing ang tanging naglibing at nagtago ng treasure ay ang mga Korean Army noong World War II. So tingnan po natin mga ka-brother ka-tits ang compass bearing na northeast 315 degree.
Opo.
Mga ka-brother ka-tits, broken bottle glass treasure sign is commonly interpreted treasure as a marker indicating hidden, buried, or deposited valuables items. A marker, key indicator used by the Imperial Army, uh, Japanese and Korean to mark or signpost battles are frequently used as or part of a marker to point the exact location of a catchy, sometimes indicating a hidden status of the location itself. Broken bottle, glass na parang triangle yung forma ng broken glass. Ibig sabihin, mga ka-brother ka-TH, ay ang tamang spot sila ka-TH. So, ang tamang direksyon ng northwest 350 degree ay nakuha natin ang tamang spot. Balikan natin yung marker or treasure code number 2 na nakalagay sa uluhan ng ah, surface marker na tibod or jar. This code number refers to a system used to identify specific of corresponding deposit. This could help identify buried object, uh, numerical treasure code used for tracking buried treasure. So, from that marker, 10 yards distance. Hanggang dito na lang mga ka-TH ka-brother. Salamat sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli. God bless us all mga ka-TH ka-brother.